HORIBA Scientific's standard microscopic systems combine the visualization power of a standard microscope with spectroscopic analytical tools for an even more powerful micro and nano material characterization system. Adding spectroscopic capability to your standard microscope creates a unique, open, and flexible platform combining the best of microscopy and spectroscopy. With these packages, the user gains spectroscopic analysis utilizing components such as the laser, spectrometer, and detector for high sensitivity to high resolution from UV to far IR. HORIBA Scientific's universal microscope adapter enables spectroscopy techniques such as Raman, photoluminescence, fluorescence lifetime imaging microscopy, and reflectance to be added to any standard microscope without compromising the existing functionality. These are all driven by HORIBA Scientific's LabSpec 6 software. LabSpec 6 provides a suite of advanced data collection and analysis tools on one easy-to-use platform.